Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Sangeeta's Cakes and More. So today we are going to make ghevar as these are Sawan days and this is my Sawan special. So let's start with it. Let's start with the ingredients first. I'm taking around 1 cup of maida, few strands of saffron and half a spoon of elaichi powder, cardamom powder. Then I am taking half cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of cold milk and 1/8 cup of ghee, which is something around 30 grams, and my maida is around 125 grams in weight. So let's start with it. We also need around 2 cups of water, which we will use simultaneously. So let's start making this. First of all, we need a blender, as nowadays we don't do many things traditionally, and in older times traditionally it used to be done through our hand only. Now we use blender for this. So I am taking my ghee, and with this ghee I will take around half a cup of cold water and cold milk. So first of all I am taking this cold water and I will blend it. Once it is nicely blended with this, then I will add milk to this. So let's start blending this. It will take around 1 to 2 minutes to blend. See, right now my ghee is just like cream. It has become very creamy, and now I will add milk to this. Adding milk to this, and I'll churn it again. So now goes my final batch of maida, as well as I'll add cold water. And as I told you, I have taken around 1/4 to 2, almost you can say 2 cups of water till now. So now with this consistency we will beat it again for 3 to 4 minutes, and then I will show you how to make them. This is the mold I am using to make these ghevars. This is basically a cookie cutter, but you can get these ghevar molds also easily available in the market. They are exactly like this. So let's start with it. Add desi ghee to this. Need steaming hot ghee for this. You can even fry it in refined oil also, but I prefer using ghee for this. So let's start with it. My ghee is getting quite hot now. Start pouring. You need to pour and stop, and the flame should be always high. It looks a little difficult, but it is not so difficult to make. You just need that will to make it, and you need patience to do that. I'll pour a little on the sides also, so it takes a nice round shape. Simultaneously I am making my sugar syrup also. Sugar, I am taking 1 cup sugar because I need a little more, and in 1 cup I'll be using half cup of water to it. To this sugar and water I'll stir once or twice. Let the sugar syrup take 3 to 4 minutes and it will be done. My sugar syrup is done now. It's quite thick. Now I will switch off the gas and use it later. Simultaneously one of my ghevar is also ready. I'll keep it aside to cool. See, it's beautifully done now. I'll take this out. My first ghevar is done. And I'll make more ghevars now with the same pattern. See, it's nice. See the color of the ghevar. It should be like this, neither too dark in color, not very light. So while we are making our ghevars, I'll tell you how to make malai for it. I have taken around 200 grams of khoya and I have grated. So now we will add sugar to it. So it looks like this. After adding cardamom powder and sugar, my khoya looks like this, and I will microwave it for half a minute, 2 to 3 times, till the time it leaves its little of its ghee and it becomes a little soft, so that we can add it on the top of the ghevar. So after microwave for half a minute twice, say 1 minute, my khoya looks like this. It has turned to nice soft malai with elaichi and sugar to it. So now all my ghevars are ready. I am decorating these two for you. And first of all, I'll add my sugar syrup to this. As I told you, the sugar syrup should be little thick, and almost 1.5 spoon is good enough, as they are very small. I'll leave it for a while and then add my malai to this. So you can see it has turned up to be very good. And then I am going to garnish it with pistachio and almonds. So if you are liking my recipes, subscribe to my channel and do share with your friends. And whenever you try my recipes, just message me, so that it's good for others also, and it gives me also encouragement to get more recipes and more easy version of the traditional recipes for you. So hope you are enjoying these videos. Have a nice day. Enjoy your weekend. Thank you for watching my videos. Thanks a lot.